The Atlantic Ocean and this wonderful beach, Praia de Funtão in Porto region, more specifically in the smaller area called Lavra, very close to the airport, Porto International Airport, just 7 kilometers away. And it looks stunning on the 2nd of February. It is exactly noon, 12 o'clock, and I am enjoying the 4th beach adventure of the day that I'm showing you on my channel. So I am basically all alone on this whole huge beach. There is nobody taking a swim. There are people walking across the beach promenade with their winter clothes on, but it's not that cold, to be fair. It's 18 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the sea, as I saw, it was around 13.7 degrees. But I've already taken a swim and it wasn't that cold, to be fair, because it's not so windy right now, so that's perfect. And here we can see the most beautiful ocean, and at this part of the beach there are not so huge waves like on the other side, but it looks super amazing. The Atlantic Ocean is amazing, and I just can't believe that I have this kind of beautiful weather in February in Portugal, because in Porto the weather can be somehow a bit less good compared to the southern part of Portugal, because Porto is obviously on the north and it is directly exposed to the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see how the ocean looks like. But yeah, this looks like a perfect Friday for me, exploring new beaches in Portugal. It is my first time on this beach ever, as when I visited Porto in 2017, I only visited Praia de Matosinhos, which is quite close to the central part of Porto. Not so, like a half an hour ride, to be fair. From this point to the center of Porto, it's around maybe 1 hour by public transport. By walk, maybe more. So, wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Amazing. Yes, the waves are now starting to reappear. But it's fantastic for a swim in the ocean. Oh, that was a big and strong wave. Did you see that? Oh! That was dangerous. I'm not gonna lie, that was dangerous because the wave pulled me in, pulling up, and then it was a rock formation that I could get landed on. So I'm happy I'm alive. So let's dive in once again before the waves start to kick in again. Whew. Oh my god, it's hard to explain, but the whole wave took me in and I felt that I'm going against. If you're alone on the ocean like this, you should be very cautious and only do it if you're an experienced swimmer and can escape the waves like this. Oh my god, it's amazing. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna chill a bit more in the waves and enjoy the beautiful ocean. So, did you see that? How the wave kicked me in the back. Oh, there's another one. All right, I think it's enough for now. It's so beautiful that it's also dangerous. You know, because there are small pebbles, and then when the wave hits, it hits you with all the pebbles, you know. But it's amazing. Ah, what a beautiful day for beach adventures. That's a wrap now from Praia de Funtão. Amazing beach with huge waves here in the Porto region. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.